famous.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful fall burgundy-ish or burnt orange with green makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I love you guys so much, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I kind of zoomed in because I wanted you guys to see what I was doing. So I kind of cut off all the products that I use, but I will link them down below for you guys. But I'm using Morphe's bronzer. This one is it's not Staycation, it's the other one that I used to use. I'll link it down below for you guys because I forgot. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my crease. I really like taking my time applying color on my crease. I just feel like it just helps all the shadows blend nicely together. So yeah, so I do take my time. So I hope you guys don't mind that I zoomed in. I just wanted you guys to kind of really see what I was doing. I don't know. Let me know if this is something you guys like. So I'm going to be using the 3503 palette, and I'm going to be using that orange. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this right onto my crease just because I felt like it needed a little bit more orange. And I liked how the colors look together. If you guys hear background noise, they're working on the apartments where I live. So yeah. So I'm using this like burgundy-ish reddish color. I don't know how to describe it. It has a shimmer to it. I decided to apply this with my finger, but in the video you will see that I used a brush after because my nails too long. So yeah. So then I'm using another like burnt orange color, and I'm applying this on the crease as well. I just felt like it needed a little bit more depth, so that made the whole look a lot nicer. So yeah. So I'm just cleaning out any fallout or anything that I might have. Then I'm going to go with this Becca Cosmetics highlighter, and I'm just going to apply this right onto my brow bone. Like I said, I will link all the products that I use in the video. I know by me zooming in, I kind of, you can't see what I'm using. So I definitely will put everything down there. And if I do forget, just let me know in the comments below, and I will let you guys know. So yeah, so I'm just reapplying a little bit of the highlighter on there. And then I'm going to go with another, the green shadow. Sorry that I didn't show it, but you know, I wanted to zoom in for you guys. And I decided to apply this just to give it a pop of color. And then I'm going back with the same colors I used, and I'm going to reapply them in the bottom lash line just so the bottom matches with the top. So yeah, or you can definitely change it up to something else. I don't know, I would have done purple, but I wanted to do the same thing I did on top. So yeah. So I'm just using a pencil brush, and I believe this is from Morphe as well. I have to do my Morphe brushes, favorite brushes. I don't know, I get so lazy, guys, but I definitely will get to it, I promise. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes. These lashes are from Bellamy Lashes, and these are the, oh my god, I had the name and I totally forgot. I will link it down below for you guys. I'm sorry. I'm not having a good morning. So yeah, I'm just here retouching everything with the brush. I decided to do with the brush just so it popped a little bit more. I felt like it just helped, especially when you use a wet brush. So yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lashes. And then while that's dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara. This one is the IT Cosmetics, the new collection. It's not a new collection, but it's like a collaboration with another company. So yeah. So I did not let him dry that much, so that's why it got messy, but it's okay. You just let it dry and then you can fix it with eyeshadow. So for lips, I am using a Morphe lipstick. I will link the name on the bottom. All I had to do was apply a little bit of setting powder so it was really matte. So yeah, so I'm just messing with my lash. And yeah, that's the final look. So once I let it dry, I went back. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Should I keep zooming in on the videos or should just leave them normal? Let me know. I want to hear you guys' feedback. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.